Apple AirPods 2 release date, news, and rumors. Will we see Apple's second true wireless earbuds in 2019? Whether it's the insights from analysts, patent filings, or just our general gut intuition, we've come to one fairly obvious conclusion: Apple AirPods 2 are coming sometime in 2019, maybe even early 2019. How can we be so sure? The AirPods 2 haven't yet been officially announced by Cook & Co., but thanks to some trademark and Bluetooth SIG filings, we know they're close and they might be radically different from the AirPods we've all come to know and love. The trademark filings say that the second-generation AirPods will be a health and fitness device, in addition to being a pair of true wireless earbuds. That designation is usually reserved for fitness trackers, so it's interesting that Apple is pursuing it for its earbuds and could integrate nicely with what Apple's doing with the Apple Watch. Curious what else the second generation of Apple's true wireless earbuds might have in store for us? Read on below. Update: a new rumor from APPLS Farah suggests that the Apple AirPods 2 could go on sale as soon as March 29. Are there AirPod alternatives? Yep, here are the best true wireless earbuds. Apple AirPods 2 release date and price. When are they out? The latest predictions indicate an early 2019 release. How much will they cost? That's TBD, but if analysts are right, expect them to be similar to the existing AirPods at $159/159 $229. We have every reason to believe that AirPods 2 are coming in 2019, but without any official confirmation from the powers that be, that's just an educated guess.